Hi, Kristen here again. I'm giving you some really simple things to do to calm your nervous system when you only have like a really short amount of time, but you get triggered somewhere at the office or at the work site, and you're looking for ways just to calm yourself, to gather yourself, to get out of your head, which is where all the thoughts and everything happen. That's where the trigger is happening, is up here in your head. So we're looking for ways to just get to drop back down into some place that's not our brain, where all that stuff is happening. And so I've been teaching you little short ways of nurturing your nervous system that don't involve going out and away from where you are in that moment. So we're covering the 5 senses. So far I've done touch and hearing and sight, and so we're going to focus a little bit on smells. And now smell is not something I can really show you on camera very well, but it is something that you can focus on. And so just, again, the idea is to get out of your head and to just simply focus on one of your senses. And so, just by taking some deep breaths, some of us have more sensitive olfactory senses than others. But just taking a deep breath and trying to notice, what do you smell? When I do that, I just noticed, I don't even know how to describe it. It's the smell of this place, this lake here. A little, like, I don't know, fresh air. How I would describe it? A little earthy, right? A little, yeah, just fresh air. That's the best way to describe it. So again, you can just go, like, this might be more pleasant to do at some places than others. If you work in a bakery, for example, it might be a very pleasant thing to do, to smell the sound of fresh baking bread. But sometimes you can hear that even in the city, or smell it, even in the city. If you walk past a bakery or something, there are good smells that come out of the city, as well as the more stinky smells. Sounds like some Harleys are going by up above me. So that's my farthest away sound right now, is the sound of the Harleys. Anyway, that is what you can do with your olfactory sense. And I'll be back in a few minutes with our last sense, which is, let's see, I've done hearing, I've done touch, I've done sight, I've done smell. I always forget one of them. Anyway, I'll be back with whatever the 5th sense is in a minute. All right, bye.